Today we're going to do the experiment of the bouncy egg. So you need an egg, you need a cup, and you need some white vinegar right here. So the first step is to put the egg carefully into the cup. Don't break it. And the second step is to put the white vinegar. That should be enough. As you can see, the eggshell has already started to dissolve. Now I'll leave it there and come back in 24 hours. Hello again! 24 hours has passed. Now let's look at our egg. As you can see, the egg shell is starting to wipe off and some parts have floated up. Now let's go and wash the egg with water. As you see now, we washed the egg and it's rubbery. The eggshell can't come off, but now you can see it's bouncy. And you can use it as a light. Why this happened? Because vinegar is an acid and the eggshell dissolves in the acid. I hope you enjoy this experiment. Please click the subscribe button down there so you can check out all my videos next time.